everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today meet the 2025 BYD ATTO 2, the newest compact EV from China's electric powerhouse, BYD. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly fun to drive, the ATTO 2 aims to bring affordable electrification to the urban jungle. Let's start with the design. The ATTO 2 takes a minimalist, futuristic approach. Smooth lines, a low-slung profile, and a front fascia that screams electric. You'll find LED lighting all around, flush door handles, and a playful palette of color options that make it feel youthful and fresh. Inside, it's more high-tech than you'd expect. A floating 12.8-inch rotating touchscreen dominates the dash, powered by BYD's D-Link system. It's responsive, app-friendly, and even supports voice commands. The interior feels premium for the price, with soft touch materials and a clever use of space. Now let's talk performance. The ATTO 2 is powered by a single front-mounted electric motor producing around 94 horsepower, perfect for zipping through city traffic. Don't expect Tesla-level acceleration, but for its size and price, it's peppy and smooth. You'll get two battery options, 30 kWh or 45 kWh, offering up to 410 kilometers of range under CLTC standards. That's more than enough for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Charging is quick and convenient. Fast charging can take you from 30 to 80% in just 30 minutes, and with BYD's Blade battery tech, safety and longevity are top-notch. Despite its compact form, the ATTO 2 is surprisingly practical. Fold-flat rear seats, decent cargo space, and a tight turning radius make it ideal for city living. So, who's the ATTO 2 for? Urban drivers, first-time EV buyers, or anyone who wants an affordable electric runabout with a hint of personality. BYD's proven battery tech, solid features, and stylish design make the ATTO 2 a compelling choice. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more EV reviews. See you on the next ride.